I'm becoming sick and tired of defending them. Total organ failure. All of the problems Uganda is going through originate from the palace. Instead of addressing people in the Shankwan's, Museveni must call a family meeting. All of the problems originate from the palace. Because people never family meeting. Abantu bamuchawa. Ejuko region nalyo taya kula seta usina makaga. One in what way? Stop inciting Baganda. Stop inciting Baganda. Ujokuraba to win and got duka. Ati wali solimu. Ola baka kazinga baka katira uko. Abaganda tubazenyeza. Stop inciting Baganda ino win. Naba isamoro kai. Naba mukazi gwe bajja kutta. Babuli muntu yenda kajogo wino. Owino ya nyoko. Ejogo lya tumwino oyo eri tumwino. Ya waka kazi kana abaserikali. Tukuba Baganda. Abaganda bajja kuyika mu kibuga tumwino duke eri kupata tijja kuvaawo bakube bakutire wano sigwe ko basoso kulaba abaganda bali byamini abaganda bali tujja kumulaba konga tumwino duka mamu chawa ayogeza arrogance ayogeza ki simanye mugabe mukanda wa mugabe abaganda bajja kutwala emisinde tumwine. Museveni has been rated down by his family members. Tetujja kubawagira bintu bye mukola bya busiru.
Mbaniriza nnyo mu kitundu kyaffe kino ekirala ekya programu yammwe eyitibwa Political Dose. Yenze Kankaka Peter, yenze producer wa TM Online Television. Kyemulaba wabweru awo enkuba efudemba bannaffe mwenna bannayuganda bali mu nsi ez'enjawulo. Mbadde muludde okulaba ku nkuba bweti simanye wammwe etonnya etya. Ojja kunteerawo mu comments ewammwe bwetonya. Kale tuli baakubaweereza ne mutabani wa Mmole Namatovu Mirundi Joseph Tamale Mirundi Senior baleetera okulamusa okwenjawulo okw'ekisiibo okuvudde wa Agibinzika omusomi w'edduwa. Omusajja gw'olaba oyo akusomera edduwa ku nsonga ez'enjawulo ate nga edduwa zino zijja kubanga bw'oyogerako naye zikuyambako okwetereeza mu nsonga ez'enjawulo. Si mirimo, si bintu biganye, si bino by'amaka, si maka gaganye, byonna oyogerako ne Haji mujja kuba musobola okwogerezeganya. Mutabani wa Mmole Namatovu Mirundi Joseph Tamale Mirundi Senior wali wano yechwachwanye dda naye kale tujja kuba tutambula. Enkuba nga bwe fudemba wano tweteekateeka okubanga tubaweereza naye nyongera okubajjukizaako nti 7 Union Global. 7 Union Global ye company erimu ba medical expert nga bana amakanda bagasimba take bakugamba nti ng'olina omuntu wo ayina ekirwadde kyonna ekyetaaga foreign medical attention nga wano kiganye basobola okuyambako ne bakutwala mu malwaliro etake malwaliro ago bagakufunira. Bannaffe abasajja abalina ekizibu kya prostate cancer awonera ddala. Bannaffe abaagala okubakyusa ensigo kidneys, bannaffe abaagala okubalongoosa emitima, bannaffe abaagala okuwona leukemia, abakyala abaagala okuzaala abalina infertility, ebyo byonna bakuyambako ne general surgeries ezisinga zonna bakutwala mu ttake ne bakuorganizingira n'ova mu ggwanga lino n'ogenda eri ne bakulabirira ne bakufunira obujjanjabi mu malwaliro aga gavumenti oba aga private ate ne bakuyambako n'okoma wano okwaboobwe nga tokaluubiriddwa yadde okubanga onyigirizibwa mu byensimbi. Be bannaffe aba 7 Union Global. Ngenda butereevu mutabani wa Mmole Namatovu Mirundi tubakubiriza abeetaaga enkuba eno mugikozese bulungi. Kale tuguddewo programu. Tubaniriza nnyo mwebale kuwagira mutabani wa Mmole Namatovu Mirundi. Enkuba etonnya naye tuzze okubaweereza muzeeyi yeebale ssebo.
And I'm going to my voice is clear. I can convince speak loudly. Nayenze for me, the Baganda have a good proverb. Leke mandu etuule nga kyeyalagula kituukiridde. A diviner is accorded respect if what he predicted comes pass, I've been telling the people that when I predict 10 things, you see 8. And I've been explaining that when I was taken by my mother in 1964 to a local church for baptism, I wrestled the Catholic priest to the ground. Why?
People are still wondering how
he was naming me. I would have been George William, because at that time we were naming the children after according to the day's saint. So I rejected that name, George William, and I wrestled the priest to the ground. Eventually, when I went to an Anglican school, because I was very argumentative, so my father decided to take me to an Anglican school. We used to call them Abapoto, Abaprotestant, Abawakanyi. That I was not baptized, but eventually I adopted the name of Joseph. Joseph Yusuf, who was sold by his brothers to the Egyptians and eventually was arrested, put in the queen wanted to elope with him and he rejected her advances. Eventually he interpreted the dreams of the Pharaoh and later became the prime minister. That's how I adopted my name. Let me tell you, let me start explaining. The Americans, I told you that when you see the European Union imposing sanctions on you, the next people will be the Commonwealth, and the last ones are always the Americans, which has materialized. It has come to pass. The European Union, you see, Africans don't understand this thing. In fact, what do we learn from Museveni's government? Any future government must learn from Museveni's government. The problem with Museveni's government is that originally Museveni was using the best brain in town until the emergency of a subterfuge, a government headed by his son-in-law. This is when Museveni lost. When a subterfuge was created, they call it a fellowship. The fellowship is a who in Uganda minus Museveni. What Museveni is facing now are the impact of the fellowship. The fellowship included who is the most powerful people in this government, minus Museveni. They started grabbing money. They control the media. They control security forces. Every person Museveni appointed became a victim. Those of us who refers to people, is only me who has defeated the fellowship. Is in disarray. Because the fellowship was entrenched, everybody was appointed. In fact, what the Americans and the Europeans don't understand, Uganda's situation is very unique. It's not easy to explain. How? A subterfuge headed by Umuko Obanzitanzite. Umukoro wa wogu yateka subterfuge mu government. Fellowship, all of the problems Uganda is going through originate from the palace. In fact, for me, I believe that instead of addressing people in the Shankwan's, Museveni must call a family meeting.
I see.
All of the problems originate from the palace. This is Museveni's challenge. But I sympathize with him because I'm also a family man. And in politics, we know that a leader cannot hold the power if his family expands. Yes. There is no leader. Saddam Hussein was a good man. Many of our soldiers during Amin's time used to train in Iraq. But when his daughters got married, then he knew what he went in the family ya Museveni ngano bwa president abedwa bamubye nebo yesimba utuwa koni nze bwe yesimba ndeta koni bwe mulaba nga yesimbye wo yajoga
koni ile yakola yizo
ndeta koni njagala koni kwenkolera when this man raises his head and started up as a presidential candidate, I look for Kony and I become the chairperson of Kony's campaign team. Nitumukuba taina walaga.
Bamuchawa bwe bati.
Abantu bamuchawa. Ejoko region nalyo no na kwata state house taya bula state house na makaga. Fenna tujoga. Atuyitambwa. Yampite embwe yayitaji. Bali bagala kunzita.
Nero achi Museveni yeta ina capacity of checking. Bigwa mu lubiri mwennyini.
The problem Museveni created the institutions, Parliament, the high gig, the Auditor General. But whoever Museveni appoints is grabbed. I told you, I gave you an example. Nti omusajja omusiguze womanizer does not escort those who go for an introduction ceremony. Yabakazi abakwate wange. Omulenzi najogo wino. Akakazi kani akawagira. What type of woman is this? No kuba abaganda no bakuba no bajja uyu mukazi bajja night kulabako uyu mukazi mwowino bajja mukuba bamutenga ne eri twina muwagira acha that woman is supported by eri twina.
Are you serious?
No kuba abantu
ono Susan simanya kashaba
bajja mukuba bamutta abaganda. Stop inciting baganda. Stop inciting baganda. Abaganda bajja
yatandika ddyo kulembera
bajja mukuba bamutte eri twina muwe mundu eri twina ni amwaga who likes eri twina. Eric Mwini is one of the most unpopular people in this country. Ani agale Eric Mwini. Yamwaba serikali. Don't incite baganda. Nabagamba tuli temuyinza kubanga tata we mumulwadde ne mudda kumukapira mukuba baga incite baganda. Ojja kulaba tumwine ngadduka ate waliso limu. Ola baka kazinga bakatirawo. Abaganda tubazenyeza. Stop inciting baganda in Owino. Where does Owino come? Oyo mukazi nabayisamu olugayi naba mukazi gwe bajja kutta. Stop inciting baganda you woman. Mukakuba ebifaananyi mbitereke baleka kwatako. Me am not a tribalist. But tetujja kubayamba. Omukazi nikasamba abantu kubanga tumwina akabadde abasirikale nekakuba buli muntu yenna nekajoga Owino. Owino yanyoko. So these people are create I'm becoming sick and tired of defending them. Because every time we are busy, tuyina kiruita total organ failure.
Nga kitu kigambye ddala.
Parliament mfu. But in Uganda, the president is doing well. The army is doing well, UPDF. We have not yet reached that level. Of abducting people. Abantu gwani mbwa gwe damo bakube tukunga abantu bakubera ne namugwanya tumubeto bajje ne tumwine tukunga abantu adduke tumwine mukwateko ku muntu omuwanula bekibeera mu kibuga ejjogo lya tumwine oyo eri tumwine ya waka kazi kana abaserikali tukuba baganda abaganda bajja kuyika mu kibuga tumwine oduke eri kubuta tijja kuvaawo bakube bakutire wano sigwe basoso okulaba abaganda balabye amini abaganda balabye buli muntu yenna
balabye oboti yakuba olubiri
akakazi ne kakuba abaganda ne kabajjamu ne kabawuza n'ekyo namugwa telefuluma Kampala. I'm telling you, me I've told you that when I predict 10 things I see 8. Ejjogo lyeri tumwine ku mukazi oyo omukazi okumuwagira omukazi nakuba abantu mu Owino omukazi n'abasiba eri tumwine if we don't prevail over this woman baganda will riot. Tujja kumulaba konka dukanga tumwine is not a popular man.
I see.
Tumwine abantu bamwagala
luwavaya abantu bamwakanya
bamukyawa ayogeza arrogance ayogeza ki simanye Mugabe muganda wa Mugabe abaganda bajja kutwala emisinde tumwine I'm telling you.
Yawagira ono mukazi wo
nidda mukwate video za kakazako muzikwate muzitereke ekyenyanja is fish and water bali kayola wasinga naite kulabako wasinga la kwena kakazi gwe wasinga buli omwana ndodi abantu bonna no bajamuluka siba abantu bajja kabetenta ngani simwina akyali tetujje kubawagira bintu byemukola bya busiru. No, I cannot support you when you are doing it. Labi tujja kulaba tumwine yebo bamujjako n'omugalalinga yayomba baba mwine be batakala tujja kulaba tumwine ngaduka tumwine tujja kulaba ko tumwine ngaduka abalibera mu ngaduka nga tumwine is one of the most popular people in this country. People don't want tumwine. Every time he talks arrogant, very arrogant. He's a kerwabo. But you kutwara tumwine
omukazi kijja kikokayanira mu katali ngano kubanga okuva luyajja scandals after scandals
bajja mukuba bamutte that woman bajja mukuba bamutte those who have influence in Kampala prevailed over this woman. You are inciting Baganda to riot. Omanyeze mbewunye Abaganda bakugamba nti kusereza ligenda mugga Baganda look Baganda. Me am Muganda myself. I have studied Baganda history and how they conduct themselves. When you see Baganda replacing intellectuals with the radicals, they are planning a riot.
I see.
Yes. Do you believe? I heard the president talking. I said, you people, you wasted time in parliament. You did not deliver. This does not apply in Uganda. Mama Amelia, if it comes to delivering, is one of the most effective MPs. What hasn't she given to the constituency? When you get Miyingo, what has Miyingo failed to deliver?
Because Miyingo has delivered.
Yes.
A
So
very
the
good
question of
service
delivering,
to education.
as the president is saying, does not arise in Uganda. In Uganda is a storm. Once Baganda, you chase Baganda from Utoda, you chase Baganda from Tumwine,
from border, from the markets.
Tumwine is worse than Kony when it comes to Museveni. Tumwine, you are worse than Kony. Kill me and see. Tumwine, you are worse than Kony. Tumwine, you are worse than Kony. Omusajja ali very arrogant. Bamugambye safe house zitayega. Bamugambye ki abaganyi ogene muko. Did you fight alone? Tumwine, did you fight alone? Are you sorry? Tumwine ali very arrogant. Musimenyi oba mugabo oba muki. Feto tubulya bya bugabe byo.
Yajja Jona agamba mu Uganda ajja kuwera boda ne internet.
Aja atya. Bani bamutta. Bempale bamukuba. Uyo bani bamutta. Tumwine must cool down. Tumwine must assess the situation. We are cornered. Baganda, the opposition in Uganda, is looking for an opportunity, a spark of to power on the street. This is why I tell you, Tumwine, prevail over this woman in Owino.
The one she supports.
Gw'omuwaba serikali Tumwine ojja kudduka. Tumwine Abaganda tobasobola tobamanyi ojja kudduka Abaganda tobasobola. Abaganda ffe tubamanyi Buganda riot where was he? Abaganda bayita bakuzanya nga ba riot yezi. My mother was almost lynched. Abaganda nga ba riot Tumwine bajja kumanya woli ali okadduke n'obujozi bwo. Go alwana olutalo. You were the first victim in the war.
I see.
Tiwarwana lutalo. And he was helped by a Muganda Muchibi, Dr. Oboto kumutwala ebweru. Tumwine prevail over this woman in Owino. Don't Abaganda bajja kweyiwa.
So called Susan.
Naffe tubakwatiridde ekimala. I'm becoming sick and tired of your problems.
I see.
Temujja kujoga Baganda nga mwetuli. Amwe Muganda myself. Oludhamwe national nishira kukirira mukazi kujoga Owino. Oyina muttaka lya nnyoko mukazi gwe. Owino ya nnyoko. Owino yiyo. What do you own there? nekasiba abantu mukakwata video. Yes akwakwaziwa kwakutwala bakoba mama kerere bani mukazi gwe umula mukazi gwe kakanako ojja kuyiwa abaganda mu kibuga netumwina dduke. That's one point. Kakati nkugamba, the second point is isolation. I told these people that unlike previous elections, this one is different. When Mbabazi went to court gave us 10 commandments, political commandments. Before the next election. Which means, I told you, if I had to read my book about Bobi Wine, the rise of Bobi Wine, I explained that previously the election was an event. Registering of voters, monitoring campaigns, consultations, and announcing results. Starting with consultation. But today, following the 10 commandments from the court, the election became a process. I was asking, you beat up Bobi Wine the day he was nominated in the premises of the Electoral Commission. Exactly. You prevented Bobi Wine from consultations. As a nominated candidate, he had to consult. You did not allow him. As someone who even had interest before nomination, I told you, the capacity to consult. Where do you find a situation where Bobi Wine has booked a hotel, a presidential candidate? Akawala kalinge mpichaka polisi mwoguwa ekiryandongo ne kamugano kuyingira. Yasula mu motoka. Nasula mu motoka. Kawala goli ruda. Bakube bakaso. Bakube bakati. Mpolida. Nembaka you are idiots. I know my candidate Museveni is going to win. Museveni adhered to all the rules, including the COVID rules. Yes, Museveni adhered to all the COVID rules because Museveni knew what the elite winners don't understand. Kureka bulezi. Nedda walwana wa. Tumwine walwana wajiva. Which city did you liberate? Which village did you liberate? Yakube sasa lisoke kaba. Ba mukubira we sasa ate it is alleged nti ye yatabula tebakwata kata teyali kubye sasa. I can pull nse nali munsiko. Nyizo kuba tumwine nadduka. Ate agenda kunkola ki? Ankwate kala bebwa dduka. Yes, tumwine I'm helping tumwine to humble himself. Manyibye bamwogerako. I'm telling you. Naye kyalwatu kati tumwine lwavayo kwogera ensi tekyayagala kuwuliriza byagamba. Tumwine send somebody. Tumwine knows that I have a relative in his office. Amumanyi omwana wange. Have omwana in Tumwine's office. Tumwine amumanyi. Namugamba nti come nkulage byebogera ku Tumwine banne bano. Is arrogant naye ate banne nabo tebamwagala. Tibamwagala banne. Era Tumwine baga nti aveeko. Tumwine tamanyi bibamwogera omanyi these people. Bwe baboogera gwe tubategeera. Kakati nze kankubuli nkugambe nti elections were a process. Mwakuba Bobi Wine ng'ensi eraba. Ne muddira omusajja ono atasobola na kuwangula kalolo owefudisi ng'agenda kwewandiisa ne mujjamu engatto. Ne mbagamba nti if the chairperson of the Electoral Commission was a sensible man, he would not have registered a person who is barefooted. Of course. Yali mugambye, no, I cannot. Gandhi, put on your shoes. No, you're kuba jodi wa wansi nyo yabakama. Yabakama was a really good. Yali DPP na nasiba ne gundi nali tu musango gw'obusiru. Was he up-baked for the job? That's what I told you. Until the first cabinet of Amin was for the best. Yagenda abajjamu mpola. The best Museveni has been dropping. Abageza abajjamu kubanga ono omulenzi mukoddomiwe yayagala psychophants. Aganya ogana okutusalira kwata kunze anzitalabe bamuttire ono babujozi bona babamujja. Kakati Museveni bamuleetya ba psychophants nga waliwo ababafuga ku remote. You could not get a person to be chairperson of the Electoral Commission,
ADPP mugundi
Moi bwe yali agala okutta judiciary Kenya yaddire former DPP Bernard Chunga namufuula chief justice nga naye ati abagezi niddu yutiyolisa kati ali ku remote President Museveni bamusalira amagezi amalala ne baga Bobi Wine ekibiina yakijjamu enaale munubu Museveni overreacted nagobani lwakojo Museveni wouldn't have overreacted yakuba lwakojo ne talemwa ne bamukuba bagenda ne technology fwe omuntu omwenzi omwana akuyitya muko omusajja oba omuntu yenna akuyitya muko omusajja n'omutwala mu loogi you must be humble whenever he comes to you he has a secrecy about you Museveni overreacted by sacking Lwakojo Museveni wouldn't have sacked Lwakojo because Lwakojo has a gathered a wealth
of experience
of knowledge he was the actual manager of the Electoral Commission. That's why Lwakojo's wife won when Lwakojo was asked in Gomba over the two of we want you to guide us. Whom should we vote as president? Lwakojo said it's your choice, but me I'm campaigning for my wife. Why? When Museveni sacked Lwakojo realized that he had no future in Museveni's future government. This is why he supported the opposition.
I see.
Even if he did it. Because in politics we tell you that if I have no future, omukobo akwata power siribeera mugabu tali kakati muleti njamuletera nekkoni amu avuganye omukono gwenkolera tujja kumuleeta nekkoni bwe bamuleeta nti yeesimbyewo tujja kuleeta nekkoni amukuba amutuuze ku ttaka tulireeta n'ekifaananyi kya kkoni n'amukuba n'amusinza obululu ejjogo ly'omukono ne limugwamu ndaakoma okujooga abantu ndinakoma okutunyaako n'okutunyala ku mitwe
njagala kubuuza buze after mismanaging
nti election abazungu when the bazungu talk about election it was an election process you see election monitoring and observing even Obote himself allowed the community observers observing elections is a fashion. Why? That the Europeans come to observe elections, the donors, because they want to know what type of government. Has the government fulfilled the requirements, the benchmarks of democracy? Because many people don't understand that Europeans tax themselves heavily. These are MPs elected by the voters on European values.
I see.
Yes. Mwete mwichimanyi. Nti mbaka wa parliament azimu European Union nga ava mu ggwanga lya Europe tagula bululu.
I see.
That's why you see the Greens, the Christian Democrats, the Liberals. Baba balina values zaabwe ze bakola ki?
Ze batambulirako.
Human rights what? Kakati olwokuba bano balowooza nti bagula ababaka ba parliament bagula parliament. They believe that even the parliaments of those European nations, first of all, why do these people give aid? These days they give aid. One, abazungu bakitegedde there is a large influx of foreigners into their countries. Nosanga abasajja abaana nga bavudde mu desert basala Libya balaga mu Europe.
Ekituufu.
Nosanga bavudde mu Asia nga bali ku lyato omuyaga ne gubatta naye they are running away from where?
From bad leadership.
Yes. Kakati abazungu bagamba to solve the influx where they receive at the receiving end of the dictators in Africa and Asia and where nobody would like to run away from his own country.
Oh, that's a very big point.
Yes.
Indeed.
They
give us aid.
The Europeans are saying how in 50 years we shall not be dominated. Germany in 50 years ejja kuba ewambiddwa. Merkel has a liberal policy. Omusajja avudde Syria bw'atuuka e Germany awasa abakazi bana because of his emic face bazaala abaana bameka nadda welfare yaki ye German abana be bonna ne bakula ne basoma they are from Syria.
I see.
Because the Germans Makeri has a liberal policy. Kakati abazungu bakitegedde. That's why Britain is running out from the European Union. Tibabadira Eastern Europe from poor countries nezijja mu European Union. Baddukira Bungereza because the English language is easy to learn than the French. Bonna balagawa. Era abaana bakuba ekyeyo bakubuulira. Originally before the Eastern Europe came into the European Union, an hour was paid for by £70. When these people entered the market, it dropped from 7 to 5 per hour. Kakati abazungu batula ne babalaba mirundi bayo. Let us solve the problems
of the influx
that are
of
chasing
migrants.
their way. These Africans from their countries.
To die running to Europe.
Why? Why do I pay money? Nenkwata obukadde butaano nembuwa omwana nga agenda akole mu bawalabu. It's only because Uganda Revenue Authority has failed. Lwakakamba tayebwa obwo bujoga abantu waliwo kona kali mu UBC ne kajibba ne kadduka kawandika mu vision buli lunaku simanyi kaani ne kadduka tulikakwata ne kazase kakola mbo media gulu you media food kakati fe tukugamba if there is a good government where you have Uganda Revenue Authority investment authority we cannot send our people for European
because we have better policies of investment.
Because I can tell you how much money do you need an air ticket and this. Why don't you use this money to do this?
If you can afford 5 million to go to Middle East, use the 5 million
to do something.
Invest it here like this.
This would be the work of Uganda Investment Authority. Even the government of Museveni would say, if you are a young man from a peasant family and you have 5 million and you have a project, the government can give you 50% of what you want. We monitor you. That would be the role of NADS.
I see.
We wouldn't be sending people to other countries. Bakabakabedda Museveni bajerega. Bakabakabedda babatwalanga mu slave trade. Even Museveni's government, people are going to the same countries. The Arab trade, slave trade.
In modern slavery.
In modern slavery, under Museveni.
I see.
No. Who are the people behind this labor company? Bananyinishi, abajozi, abajoga buli muntu, ababanye ku mutwe, ababanyala ku mitwe, ne batujoga ne batufula embwa zaabwe. Me, if I become minister of gender, my first decision will be to stop labor exports.
But where would you put these people? The investment strategy is dead.
That Museveni is using the labor companies to eliminate the would-be voters. I don't need to send my people. Why is it that in Kenya and Rwanda and Tanzania, we don't get this issue of organ extraction? The mafias are not in charge.
I see.
So you know, obujoze kalina omutoka kalinga buloka obubbi ke kali mugenda ate ke katwala abantu ebwe niwe boleya kasekula omutwe parliament ya mube bagisasula babagula buguzi. How can you say?
Let's talk about the thing of organ trafficking sincerely. Kyakomye wate kibinyo nnyo
kana kakaza kalina omutuku kalinga mahangada kabadde kagamba mu they bring a bill. How can you regulate organ trafficking? How? Neyo kukoza ko bakali falumbe chako ka change ate bakakozesa ate bali bebas. You have a case 32 people of your people, prominent people, are being interrogated, grilled by the International Criminal Court
over organ
Serena.
harvesting.
These are who is who, very powerful people, very close to the palace. What are you saying?
That they should regulate organ transplant.
How? Ntiyensiga gula sene naye kakazigwi lwakyalira takajulula lwakyalira tajulula achenji achenji alira mujulule kuba buli kintu kya busiru kyonna yakyogera era I pray President Museveni, I am humble requesting President Museveni, that woman should not make a comment on Kabaka's situation. So you know, baka kozesa kagala programu zange neyojja kusasula kakazi gwe olisasula wajjanga ku programu zange nonzija buli wamu wonna nga Diana kozesa yeye ekwese n'akabana kapapula kagambe Museveni gwe kakazi gwe akazaako bakakozesa ati bakajja ku mulimu gwako ne bakaleete Museveni nalaba yanga nedda akakazi kano bakakozesa kakazi gwe tuyogera kabaka bajja kukuba bakutte. This minister, Museveni is minister of health. At least this time, let you, mama change. Keep your mouth tight lip.
I see.
Kubanga gogo bakozesa okwogera mu kizibu kyonna ekyobusiru. Kakati mbagamba nti Abamerika batuufu. Why? I only followed the Americans on 3 issues. One, why did you deport Ugandans? Because they are planning to trace the children and the relatives of those in the government. These ones went abroad. They have grown up in European and American societies.
Yes.
And I can predict if the American policy is implemented, and you send these people who have grown up in Europe and America back to Uganda under the prevailing situation, where will they fit? Are you going to employ them in Uganda Revenue Authority? Can they cope up with the type of life we live? So I'm telling you, the American policy makers should understand. I predict we shall have numerous a number of suicide cases. People will kill themselves. Even those who will come to Uganda will not be able to cope up with the situation. They will end up being frustrated. They will end up resorting to drugs. Because I tell you, I always tell people, to look at the situation, if amaziki agali ebusitemu n'amaziki agali Kaluma singa bagaza mu National Park
tigasobola kweyigira,
they die. So these people, these younger people who have grown up in Europe, they shouldn't be brought back.
Nebuze tolowooza ati okuba deportinga kikendeza ku jjogo lyaba n'okulowooza nti bali bwe babba batwalira bali abaana baabwe bali mu America be balabirira.
That most of the civils here bought houses in Europe because nawe tulemesizza musajja gwe lwaki towumuza emmotoka otulemesizza tukola otuyingiramu. You see, when poor people get wealth, they end up with what we call arrivalism. They started buying houses in America, buying houses in Europe, buying houses in Asia. This is why they invested in harvesting of organs, which was a lucrative business. Hey, this is the problem. I want also like the other one. Mpekoni. Everybody buys a mpekoni. Because when they go for a wedding, we call it arrivalism. Arrivalism means bumba muvude mufuwa families. Kakati bagala okulaga. I own, and you see, in many cases, yes, they marry from the same families. A woman will tell the other, her sister, another one who works in the revenue authority, we want to steal money to buy, not to be able to smart.
Another house.
Yes. The Nubians, they were not exposed. They did not buy things abroad. I mean, he had nothing abroad, even in Saudi Arabia. When he went to Libya, he depended on Gaddafi. When he went to Saudi Arabia, it was inconceivable at that time that a leader could do. And they don't know. When he was still in bed, with the Americans and the Europeans, they will allow you to buy the assets.
Exactly.
And the problem with these Europeans and Americans is you cannot use a pseudonym to buy assets.
You use
your original name. Now,
original documents.
All of the documents, Biden, the President Biden, Ranga, the leader of Dubai, they are even in Kenya, South Africa, Malaysia, Philippines. All of the assets owned by Ugandans cannot change hands. Babikuwatiddeyo ekyogo lyonna Ssaabajoozi bamukutte kati abaddabbire bwe. These people cannot even step out of Uganda.
I see.
Temusobola kugenda wala bagenda bakubira wano. This is what I was asking you. That you people, you are using malice. No kwata kasolo n'omusiba kubanga ayina emyoka. Why didn't you tell the president to appoint you as the minister? Kasolo bamukwata ne musiba. I will incite people there. Olaba oyo omuvuka bwadduko oyo MP. Manyamu wagira. Nja kuincite badduke. Have the influence and to do this. Teja kulinyayo. Kakati mwembadde mbagamba. Tie Muganda tells you, if you dig a pit to cover an old one, you end up with a pit.
I see.
All of these people you are harassing, the people you are humiliating after delivering dedicated service to you. We are going to live with that. Kakati temwine je mulaga. Tosobola kulinya Kenya. Tosobola kugenda Congo bajja kukwateba abazungu bakwaje. Kati you are going to live with the people you have been harassing, humiliating. Bemusibye makomera. Nemutwala emirimo. Nemubawo sente. Omuntu natujoga natunya ku mitwe. Kati where is he going to go? Two. It erodes Museveni's image. And the country's image. Nobody can believe that in Museveni's Uganda, you can find this is where ICC, the International Criminal Court, can try people. Why are we having the Chinese here as a part of the criminals? Why are we having the Rwandese? Why are we having the Congolese? Why are they not in Kenya? Why are they not? It means one thing: a subterfuge, a criminal group within government has taken advantage of the weakness.
And I'm wondering how do these people work close to the palace, be in charge of failing the principles of their boss? You see, they are obsessed with the money. They think you can buy everybody. If you are facing the charges of extracting and harvesting, they call it harvesting organs, how can a whole cabinet sit and say there must be a law? America itegeera nti bano ba criminals bebali mu gwanga, they are in charge of the country bali kulwanyisa organ harvesting ate ne mulete etteeka mukikolere mu mateeka
mukikolere etteeka. America itegeera nti this country, if we allow it, it will degenerate into Somalia.
I see.
If you allow this
start killing its own people for trade.
A country that extract organs from refugees.
I see.
Abana bano bakyayisiza nnyo Museveni singa abantu bakwata omulenzi oyo nadduka abazungu ne batuyamba ne bamunyweza nakana akayina omutwe okalinga bbula n'entwe y'eppusi. All of those who are involved.
I see.
And I'm telling you, I sympathize with the Honorable Kutesa. Honorable Kutesa, I told you that you have about 4 people who can help you. Because a diplomatic query is responded to by diplomatic query. My humble request to the president, Ofono Opondo, should not respond to diplomatic queries.
He came up and said there is nothing we want from America.
Is a
I can eat my matoke here.
Yes. This is not what people say. In diplomacy, we say that international law, domestic law prevails over international law. Everybody is a king in his own country. Ofono should not respond to America, and this is above him. Ofono can respond to political issues
if we are engaged with our opponents, political opponents, Ugandans, when it comes to an issue, a diplomatic issue, it is a Yebale, is Kutesa, is Rugunda. Allow these people to handle these diplomatic issues. In fact, it wouldn't be a bad idea for Museveni to constitute a committee of people who should handle diplomatic issues.
I see.
I told you that when the Queen came here for Commonwealth, I was approached. One, we need a person who is well versed with the British culture, who will give company to Prince Charles. I said that is Nagenda. It should be Nagenda. Nagenda writes their English. Nagenda speaks their English. Nagenda was in Britain. Had some, he even worked at the BBC. So I said the only person I can suggest to you that can accompany Prince Charles is Nagenda. Because for us, even the language, I don't have the accent. I do not go through good schools. That's why the Indians are sending their children to Britain, to grow up in Britain, to get the British accent. The Indians of the chala, 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 chala. This is not the new generation of Indians. The current Indians speak
fluent
English.
British English.
Look at the Chinese. The Chinese used to have small eyes because of the dust. Tomorrow as China improves its hygienic condition, you can have China abaganda tuchita kuligita rolling eyes. You can find the Chinese with rolling eyes.
It is very rare. You can't find.
You find them tall Chinese.
Even the tall ones are there, but the ones with big eyes.
I met 10 tall Chinese girls who come near the borders. Because China is surrounded by borders. Don't think that every Japanese is a short fellow. They are tall Chinese I found in hotels. Very beautiful Chinese with the rolling eyes and the short ones. Surely? Yes. I will see one. Because the Chinese were having small eyes because of the dust, because of the hygienic conditions. In Fufu, never ziba. You can see now Chinese foreign minister when you see all these international
starting
media,
to improve.
You can find a very beautiful Chinese. In fact, in the Chinese culture, if you marry a beautiful woman, you cannot have luck. That's why the current president of China was declared the life president. He's one of the few Chinese politicians with the beautiful women. Yes, may I read?
Are you serious?
I can read. I read everybody. I read all of the cultures. I read and analyze. Kakati mbagamba. Anybody who quarrels with the Americans is making a very big mistake.
But Mzee,
the Americans have...
If you insist on constituting a committee,
yes,
these guys are alleging the election was totally rigged.
No.
Can Museveni institute a committee of allegations of rigging polls?
Fortunately for us, foreigners cannot declare a winner.
Of course.
No. This is only under the constitution. It is only our courts that declare winners. When we went there, you have an amateur chief justice who mishandled the case. If you have only one contradicting view, because even that woman, because I told you that the problem was Kisachi, was that Kisachi was subjected to an interview and defeated them 75%. Why do you pick somebody who has failed and you make the one? Why do you subject the people to interviews? The same case.
If you don't want them,
yes.
If you don't want the better marks, yes, then don't put interviews.
The same case in New Vision. The board of directors were given one name of Don Wanyama. But the board subjected Wanyama to an exam where Wanyama fared badly.
Are you serious?
Yes. Wanyama fared badly.
Why was he appointed then?
I have his performance results. In the future, I will take him to court. that you occupied that office illegally. He will refund all of the money. Tujja kumuyo kubanga ono omulenzi yamuwagira. Omulenzi n'atekomya ensi yonna anzita alabe bwadduka.
I'm wondering
who is Kampala bwadduka yalimu owino yalimu nyama yali luddawa yali kunyanya.
I'm wondering who is doing this because
olebe bamufumule wani bwadduka ujoje mumugwe mu mpale muyite.
Someone fronts one name and you still take them for a questionnaire.
This is what they don't understand. If government, the largest shareholder in the New Vision, forwarded one name, why did the board of directors subject this man to an interview?
An interview which eventually
fails. 00000. Nickname him 000. The man failed, and I have the results. One day, I will take this man to court to pay back the amount of money he has been getting as a salary because he failed the interview.
I see.
Tujja kumuyora duke ngono mukama we na yaduse tujja kulaba ku mukama we ngaduse nono mukazi ngaduse neri tumwine ngale ne yataddeyo kubanga tebategeera. I'm telling you, if the Europeans are handling a lion, we have forced the most powerful people in this country cross the palace to the Zoom in Serena to appear before the International Criminal Court. Is to win more powerful? Is this woman in a win more powerful? Who is more powerful? One day we shall take a Donny to court. You failed the interview. How did you find your way? Tumusimbe mu court turunde salary yoneje mwandeje jisasula. He will pay. Ejogo liyo mulenzo no tulikubire ddala. Ba mulenzo no tumuteka kutaka. Nze nja kuwagira koni. Kasitaba leeta omulenzi oyo nga president neyesimba ndeeta koni ndeeta ekifaananyi kya koni arubi the chairperson of Koni's campaign team tukuba omulenzi oyo tumukube mukalulu tumukube n'ekifaananyi agwe nga Koni amusinziza obulu ejjogo lyabwe tuliteeke bwe likoma eseetegeere nti omulenzi ensi yamutamwa ensi temwagala ajooga abantu abanya ku mutwe abanyala ku mutwe. Kakati nze nkugamba nti the Americans, Uganda cannot fight a war against the Americans. Why? You hosted two American presidents. You have been training your soldiers in America. You have been cooperating with the Americans in Somalia. Mwabasembeza babamanyi nnyo.
Training and
I want to tell you the mistake Museveni will regulate in the future. He allowed the formation of a group called the Fellowship. The Fellowship is who in the government minus Museveni. This Fellowship, Museveni advised them that why don't you create a think tank? Instead of stealing money from there, buli wamuono ne bakuba omuntu ne bamugjawo ne bakuba omuntu ne bamugjawo. Kakati today bemwajooka bagwatudde baani mulina okubeera nabo bamirundi bemwajooka weebali bw'ojjako pologulaamu yange bw'ogijjako. Kakati nange nkulindiridde akasajja ako aka New Vision kakubanga ak'Essironko Kabusenga bw'alibadde Essironko ajja kuyikyalwa naye bw'alikwata jjinja tajja kutuuka talituuka kireka kulubya ye nikiwarabi male yawasirani oboti balibeera na gulevu mu Buganda kulubya by'Abaganda nikiwarabi male balina kwokebwe bwenisasanyizibwa ku masaza ga Buganda. I'm telling you. Kakati nkugamba nti abasajja ab'ensobi gye baakola baagula Zoom. Their Zoom had a capacity of 45 people. They could talk to each other, thinking that it was safe. You could cut off the others and talk to the person you want, as long as you talk to the center. The American CIA tapped into
their discussions.
I'm telling you, temuwakanya b'Amerika babalina. Tulidigirite. Gutusinze Biden, gutusinze nnyo, gutusingidde ddala. Abaganda bagamba bunsinza ali wa bitono. Plead guilty and give these Americans and others the donors. You say we had election violence. Why? One of the candidates was a young man, and he derived his support from
the youth,
the ghetto. Abatasoma. So we had a problem. Why didn't we have this problem with the Semogerede? Semogerede's support was derived from LD people. Why didn't we have this problem? Basically, we had a problem with the refugee. Abana abavubuka abo nga bayina ekyotera waliyo ekifaananyi nga bakinywesa soda bakola ki. Kakati ate Bobi Wine came from the ghetto and came with his ghetto supporters. This is why Museveni stooped too low to appoint people like Kusasira, advisors on Buchaman, to counter the ghetto people.
But
he had to acquire ghettos to counter ghettos.
But we say it does not guarantee arresting of people and humiliating them and torturing them in the chambers.
We should not be arrogant. When you want to talk to the European,
you should find a way of sweet talking.
Laughing at you. Why? This is not the first time to talk to people like arrogant people like you. Mugabe said, why doesn't Tony Blair concentrate on his small Britain and allow me to concentrate on my Zimbabwe? Because when you look at Britain has the same size like Uganda. I think Zimbabwe is bigger than Uganda. So what Mugabe was saying, said, I love Nyerere so much. I wish she was a woman. I would have married her. He said, no, Uganda should not fight with Tanzania. Let us enter the ring. I'm a boxer, I'm an African medalist. That's what Azamini was saying. This is what I hear the nonsense they're talking about. What about Moi? At one time, the KANU chairman of Mombasa, Nasir, declared American citizen in Kenya unwanted. He even said, because the Americans are demanding for reforms, don't serve them food, don't even the prostitutes should not sell their goods to Americans. But when America stopped docking at Mombasa, we had the people like Nasir, Kanyinji, Mutisha. These were the people who were illiterate, who could abuse everybody, the intelligent people. This is what I'm saying. So these Europeans are not seeing African arrogance for the first time. But what you have to understand, Abaganda bakugamba, uyombera josaka.
Kizibu.
Yes.
Toyina kuyombera josaka.
Yes. Even if we say those Europeans are very smart, how have they solved the problems? You are not the first government to be overthrown.
Of course.
The overthrow.
There were those that were more powerful than
because Mubarak was operating on the principle that if I'm removed from power, the Islamic Brotherhood will take over power. These people, the moment they detected that Mubarak had lost control because he was preparing his son as Secretary General of the ruling party, they allowed a man, a transitional president from the Islamic Brotherhood. Eventually, the army took over, and there is stability in Egypt. They moved to Sudan. The most powerful and the popular president of Sudan was Bashir. Because Bashir was brought to power by an Islamic man. What is important in those Islamic countries is that you get a politician and a sheikh. I've forgotten his name. This man Bashir came in the wings of the other man, whom he arrested and later died. Bashir arrested this man to get concessions from the Europeans that the other sheikh was a radical. Every president, including Numeri, any president of Sudan who used to make a concession to the south would be overthrown. It was only Bashir who negotiated a peace deal with the Southern Sudan. Bashir even attended the independence celebrations. But what happened? Bashir was overthrown by the Israelis. Remember that before the overthrow of Bashir, the Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu visited the region.
Of course.
And I told you that Netanyahu was not here to visit where his mother, because Netanyahu, Canon Netanyahu, who led an Israeli force to rescue the Israelis who had been captured by Palestinian radicals. Netanyahu, Canon Netanyahu, is a brother of this, of the Prime Minister of Israel. In my opinion, Netanyahu shot himself. Why? Because in Netanyahu, the Israelis made a mistake. Netanyahu, who led the rescue mission, had his mother here, Dora Bloch. Dora Bloch fell sick because she was an old woman, was taken to Monaco. When, in my opinion, when Canon Netanyahu realized that all of the people had this shoot, his mother was not there, he shot himself. Yes, because there was no plan to attack Monaco. Imagine if you were the one, you make a highly risky venture when your mother is one of the hostages, and when you find out after rescuing everybody
that your mother is not among.
Yes, and you know what will happen. Canon Netanyahu knew that his mother would be killed. This is what happened. The old woman was killed and buried in the sugar plantation, belonging either to Meta or to somebody else. And there was a man called Palmer, a photograph of Idi Amin. He photographed the woman's burial and killed him. The man was called Palmer, the photograph of Idi Amin, who participated in the burial. The woman was exhumed. Amin was shown on TV talking to Dora Bloch. So in my opinion, in fact, we have failed to take advantage. The Israelis wanted to put up a hotel here in memory of Dora Bloch, but these are thieves. Our people are thieves.
If there is no deal going on.
Started with the Kiseka and others, because these are thieves. They don't look into the
image of the country.
I told you that in Netanyahu, the Israeli intelligence got credible information that most of the small arms that were used in the West Bank originated from Sudan through the Sinai Desert and eventually to the West Bank. So as the people say, even in Uganda will tell you, this is why Netanyahu came here. Immediately Netanyahu left, Bashir was overthrown. And the ICC that has imposed an arrest warrant complaining about Uganda hosting Bashir, complaining about Zuma hosting Bashir, have they taken Bashir to ICC?
Not yet.
They are not interested. Why? These Bazungu, they know. They have the Mirundis of their countries. If you take every retiring leader to heck, you will make these people, they will develop a feeling, let us die in power.
Exactly.
Yes.
Because someone cannot leave power anticipating could be dragged to court.
Nga namuwaga akyali anzite nti njogola nnyo nzitalabe ategere nti abantu bamukyawa ku nsi mukazi we nazaalawo ne maama we be bamwaga twagala tuyo omuntu omulabe gwadduka n'ekyo nakyo nti these boys, the group of the mafia, the criminals, fear that surrendering power, they will face,
lead them to court.
Yes, they will get the rest of the population.
Of course.
This is why discredited people like Franka Tumwebaze. Franka Tumwebaze wants to be in the cabinet. No, Franka Tumwebaze, you stink. People like Franka Tumwebaze shouldn't find their way. All of those, who have been implicated in extracting and
organs.
Tebali badde mu gavumenti mutuyambe Franka tumwebaze tuyambe ne Franka tumwebaze akimanyi ti bwaba si minister
bwaba tali mu buyinza
n'omusule kamwe bane bamutyamude kuba kajoze nnyo abantu kakati you hang on a country, you impose yourself on a country, you damage the country's image kubanga otya nze nabagamba nti Kutesa has problems, but Kutesa has problems as Sinise. We call it Sinise. Even the Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu, who recently won the elections, is being dogged by corruption scandals.
Of course.
That's Sinise. Zuma. Corruption scandals. But killing people, 2,000 people, more than 2,000 people.
And you extract
creating a den, turning Uganda into a den of criminals. The Pakistanis are here, the Congolese are here, the Chinese are here, the Kenyans are here. Why are they not in their countries? This is what we must approach. When I talk to the international community, it does not pay to impose sanctions on a country. Why? Because by the time who loses in these sanctions, it means that the poor people, the civil servants, the police, security people, the doctors,
who of course have done
not
nothing.
Get salaries. Two, a country in Uganda, does it need a surgery or a normal delivery? In my opinion, Museveni has been rated down by his family members.
Of course.
Yes. Museveni has been
rated down
by all of the problems originated from the palace. All of the people have been. In fact, for Museveni to address, to organize a seminar in Shankwan's, it would be better to organize a meeting for his family members.
I had wanted you to say to
see, decently I recorded the people arguing that Museveni's younger brother has a company and a Chinese man is the one who is imposing electric poles. Family ya Museveni ye mulezinze down. Museveni
yani duinze byonna twali mwogeddeko oluvanyuma.
In fact, I have written a book overthrowing your government without knowing. Obujozi bwonna omulenzi ono bwalina n'atujoga n'atuyita embwa nadde State House n'agiyita amakage nga bakoddomi ba Saddam n'akola ki ebyo byonna ebyakasooli e Kenya byabwe okuteeka ettaka mu buwunga bwabwe byabwe.
This is
a feud in the ruling family.